Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can search and join random online franchise in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. Of course, you have to select franchise and right here select this option create/load. You will see window like this, and here we need to select this search icon. And once you select this, you'll able to see window where you can basically filter out things depending on the franchise you're looking for. Like in my case, I would like to join public franchise. If it's private in your case, you can simply select private. Then you can also choose whether you would like to have crossplay enabled franchise or not. Then you have the option for coach mode enabled, franchise points enabled, and so on and so forth. So just adjust the settings however you like. And if you have the franchise name which you want to join, you can also enter the name of that franchise here. In my case, I want to join the random one, so I'll simply hit begin search and they'll give the results. So here you can simply choose the franchise which you would like to join. So let's say if I want to join this one, I can simply select it, and right here we would need to select the team. I can select this one, then choose the coach type. For instance, I'll simply save and exit this. Now according to your preference, simply you have to adjust the settings. I'll simply hit start playing, and you can see we have successfully joined the online random franchise in Madden 27, and it is that easy. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.